Hello everybody, this is Domingo with you today. Hope you're doing fantastic. And today we're going to be quickly looking at NoteGPT. Now, NoteGPT is an app service where you can look up transcripts and also content creation methods for videos. So, what we're going to do here is we're just going to test it out the first time. So, you can go ahead and download the NoteGPT app in the description below, or you can also add it as a Chrome extension right here. So without further ado, we're going to get started. So let's say you want to know what a video is about and you have no idea. Let's just pick how Campbell's chicken soup is made. So we're just going to mute the audio there, and then what it'll do is it will just give you the transcript options here. It'll appear on the side. So you can click on Generate Summary. So once you generate the summary, it comes up on the list here where it describes an in-depth look at the video. So it talks about everything, it works through AI, and it summarizes everything right away. So it goes down here, and then it just brings up a whole summary, which is really cool. And then you can also turn auto transcription on or off in the settings here, but we're just looking at the generation of the transcript, so that way you can have an idea of what NoteGPT does. So it gives you core insights, a summary of the video for the first time, and then it populates as it comes along. So once everything is complete, it'll give you a full summary, it'll give you time codes, it'll give you also information about the video that you probably haven't seen. And for some people that miss video details and want to get proper information, that's the way to do it. So I'm currently on the free plan right now, where I can get about 15 quotas. You can transcribe subtitles for free. You can get 1 quota per 10 minutes. Chapter is 1 quota per 10,000 words. Summary is a quota per 10,000. Mind map, 1 quota per map. AI chat, 1 quota per chat, and then 1 quota per 10,000 words. So when you're on the free plan, it gives you those options, and you can upgrade if you want to. So this is the key insights and core concepts. And then it also shows here all the information that it's still going through. It's still going through a lot of information because the video is about 8 minutes in length. So it's transcribing the entire 8-minute video before you even watch it. So once you generate the transcript, it gets to work right away. And then we'll look at the other options here. There's the transcript where it has timestamps of each of the captions. So you can go through and click on the timestamp to go to a certain part of the video, and it'll take you there. So it's like taking notes at the same time. And then the summary shows what we just seen. And then there's AI chat. And then you can chat with the AI about what the video is about, break it down simply. So if you click break it down simply, you can ask that question to the AI. So we're just going to click break it down simply, and then it'll start getting to work on breaking down the video in simplistic form. So it's pretty cool. Pretty interesting how it goes about this. So it says here, there's a breakdown of the video. Then it'll be short, or it'll be like a few paragraphs, but it just breaks down the video, simplest terms. But that's a lot of information. So it uses up a quota for every 10,000 words. So there's not a lot of words here, but it simply broke it down. And then there's also AI mind map, where it saves completely. So we have it saved completely there, and then it'll bring up the workspace. So these are AI notes. The mind map is now completely revamped. So there's been a lot of updates as things went along here. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait until this updates itself. It's mind mapping. Mind-blowing. Fantastic. So we're just going to wait for that to keep going here, and then we are going to be on our way. I'm just going to wait for that to. So what's happening here is so it creates a map of the video that we've just seen here. So my video and audio glitched up a bit, so I'm just doing a voice recording over this segment just to make sure there's no audio contingencies, because when I was editing it, it's sort of broken out. But back to the video, we're going to see that it makes a little beginning map area, and then it maps out to an iconic comfort food, and then it does this little branching out, and it gives you these tiny little facts that give you a lot of information on the soup, and also just little facts and nuggets that you probably know already. Like if you grew up watching Price is Right and you got sick with a cold, chicken noodle soup and the Price is Right, that was your cure for the cold, so that way you could fight it out. Hands up if you know what I'm talking about, 90s kids. But yeah, it maps everything everything out to the slightest minute detail, and it gives you information you didn't even know about it. So if you're into this sort of information, then this is a good thing right there. But for some things, you have to upgrade the software for. And this is the actual dashboard it takes you to. So you can do AI chat, AI PDF, AI presentation, AI math homework, flashcards, and AI book library. So for the purpose of this video, this was just to show you just an idea of what the AI software can do in regards to your YouTube videos. So that way you can create stuff, the rest of the stuff that I can't do unless I get a subscription. So in the description below, there's a link to download to go to NoteGPT and check it out for yourself. So have a good day, and we'll see you next time for another video. Bye-bye for now.